So I came up to the top of the garage roof, and the views from up here are just amazing. Check it out. I'm back. So Portugal ended up winning their game. They ended up winning 1-0, and I was the happiest person in the world. As soon as they scored in the 117th minute or 115th minute, I started jumping like I was a little kid who just got his favorite toy that he wanted for Christmas. That moment was awesome. Now they play Poland in the quarterfinals, and that's Thursday at 2 p.m. Again, I will be on my butt watching the game, hoping for a win so we can go to the semifinals to play either Belgium or Wales. Preferably I'd want Wales, but you know, Belgium will be a good competition. Besides that, it's currently raining outside. It's pouring outside. That's an understatement. It's probably flooding outside right now. I don't know how I'm gonna get home, because if you've been to Houston when it rains, well, especially nowadays, it looks like the day after tomorrow outside. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get some food. Chicken fillet, you know. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the number 4.
What's number 4? There's numbers?
No.
I know McDonald's has numbers. McDonald's is right there.
Just tell them the number 4 and see what you get.
You're gonna get a number 4. So guys, we just finished setting up the set to Coog Cinema Reviews. They got early screening. They got early passes to go watch The Legend of Tarzan. And I'm currently on their set right now. Here's Corey. Let me show you Corey.
Soheil, question.
Yes.
What do you think of The Legend of Tarzan? Just looking at the trailer.
I thought it was awesome. I'm really excited to go watch it. I hope it's good. I hope it's not bad. So we're currently testing out Facebook Live for our Facebook and for Coog TV, and we're live right there. And I'm editing the video that's gonna go up on our Facebook. Let me show you what they're doing. They're being pretty funny.
Have you shown them our photo gallery?
No. Oh, you didn't know about this.
Hey, look, it's Corey and Michael's first review. It's up playing on the TV station right now. And yeah. I wonder who's at Coog Radio right now. What are you doing? I'm gonna go grab my stuff.
So there's one on here. Find it. You're gonna hate it.
What are you doing?
This one's just cutting back and forth between the lines.
So after a day of doing nothing, I think.
Are they both watching the movie tonight?
Michael's not. But after a day of doing nothing,
We're going home.
yeah, we're going home.
Oh, you know it don't matter anyway. Oh, you know it
it through the traffic. I still got like 10 minutes to get home. I left school like at 6:16. It's been over an hour now. Houston traffic, man. I hate when it rains. So after all that traffic and stuff, I came to the movie theaters with my boys. I'm here with my boy. There's Shane, but Giovanni over there. Hamsel's over there. You know, we're about to watch Conjuring 2 for the first time. I don't do scary movies, but you know, we'll make me live. If we don't, this is the last that you've seen of me. So we just got done watching The Conjuring 2. What's your initial reaction?
This shit is weak, straight up.
All right, let me get my boy over here. Let me get my boy over here. Initial reaction to this movie.
2 thumbs down.
Let me get the last initial reaction right here.
It was pretty good.
It was pretty good.
It was alright.
Hey man, why'd your cap open?
Yeah, bro, why'd you cat?
But anyways, guys, it's currently 12:55 a.m. We're heading home. Good God.